Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that's been buzzing everywhere, Web3. You've probably heard the term, but what does it actually mean? And more importantly, how can you be part of this revolution? Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll not only understand Web3 but also know how to jump on the trend. Let's go. What is Web3? Okay, let's start with the basics. Web3 is the next evolution of the internet. Think of it like this: Web1 was the read-only internet basic websites where you could only consume information. Web2 was the read-write internet social media, YouTube, TikTok, where you could create and share content. But here's the problem: in Web2, big companies like Facebook, Google, and Amazon own your data. They control the platforms, and they profit from your content. Web3 flips the script. It's the read-write-own internet. Instead of trusting big corporations, Web3 uses blockchain technology to give power back to the users. It's decentralized, meaning no single entity controls it. You own your data, your content, and even your digital identity. Sounds cool, right? How does Web3 work? Let's break it down. Web3 runs on blockchain, which is a digital ledger that's transparent, secure, and can't be tampered with. You've probably heard of Bitcoin or Ethereum. These are built on blockchain, and they're just the tip of the iceberg. Here's an example: imagine you're a musician. In Web2, you upload your song to Spotify, they take a huge cut, and you get pennies per stream. In Web3, you can mint your song as an NFT, non-fungible token, and sell it directly to your fans. You keep most of the profit, and your fans truly own a piece of your work. Everyone wins. Real-world examples of Web3. Web3 isn't just theory, it's already happening. Let me give you some real-world examples. NFTs, artists like Beeple are selling digital art for millions. But it's not just about art. NFTs can represent anything: music, virtual real estate, even your Twitter posts. DeFi, decentralized finance. Instead of relying on banks, people are using platforms like Aave or Uniswap to lend, borrow, and earn interest on their crypto. No middlemen, no crazy fees. Play to earn games like Axie Infinity let players earn real money by playing. Imagine grinding in a game and actually getting paid for it. That's Web3. How to be part of the Web3 trend. Now, here's the fun part: how can you get involved in Web3? Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech genius. Here are some simple ways to start. Learn the basics. Start by understanding blockchain, crypto, and NFTs. There are tons of free resources online. Follow creators who explain Web3 in simple terms like this channel. Get a crypto wallet. This is your gateway to Web3. MetaMask is a popular one. It's like a digital wallet where you can store your crypto and interact with Web3 apps. Explore NFTs. You don't have to buy a Bored Ape for millions. Start small. Check out platforms like OpenSea or Rarible. You might even find something you love. Join DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations. DAOs are like online communities where members vote on decisions. It's a great way to meet like-minded people and contribute to cool projects. Create something. Web3 is all about creativity. Are you an artist, musician, or writer? Mint your work as an NFT. Build a following. The possibilities are endless. The future of Web3. So, what's next for Web3? Well, it's still early days. Some people think it's the future of the internet, while others think it's just a hype train. But one thing's for sure: Web3 is pushing us toward a more open, transparent, and user-owned internet. Imagine a world where you control your data, where creators are fairly compensated, and where you can be part of online communities that actually value your input. That's the promise of Web3. Challenges and criticisms. Of course, Web3 isn't perfect. There are challenges like scams, environmental concerns, and a steep learning curve. But every new technology has growing pains. The key is to stay informed and be cautious. Call to action. So, are you excited about Web3? Or are you still skeptical? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're ready to dive in, start by learning and experimenting. Remember, the early adopters are often the ones who benefit the most. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Web3 is just getting started, and I can't wait to see where it takes us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.